Alpine introduces the all-new Halo 9 media station, designed to bring a 9-inch touchscreen to vehicles with a 1-DIN installation dock. The display can be fully adjusted in elevation and angle at the time of installation to match a wide variety of vehicle dashboards. The Alpine Halo 9 features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility.
Hi, what can I do for you?
If you are a Spotify user, you can simply browse among millions of songs, create your own playlists, and enjoy everything in your car. WhatsApp reads new messages for you and lets you dictate and send your own messages.
Would you like me to read your messages or compose a new one?
Use the latest smartphone apps, such as WhatsApp, Amazon Music, Spotify, and Google Play Music in a convenient and safe way while you drive. Google and Apple Maps help you navigate and include many convenient features such as POIs and traffic information. There are also database interfaces available for many vehicles that allow you to display parking sensors, air conditioner settings, and more. The Alpine Halo 9 also features DAB+ digital radio, Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming, as well as USB video playback. Bring the future of car media to any vehicle with a 1-DIN radio dock. The all-new Alpine Halo 9.
Alpine, driving mobile media innovation.
Hey, it's Seth from Sonic Electronics here with the Sony XAV-AX100 double DIN, single DIN car stereo. Sony designed this car stereo to give you premium sound quality with their purpose-engineered dynamic stage organizer technology, which makes your music sound better by adjusting for the acoustic problems caused by the less than ideal speaker placement in most vehicles that makes your music sound muddy. This XAV-AX100 supports seamless integration of your preferred Apple or Android devices, automatically detecting the operating system and launching either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, granting access to a familiar interface that lets you control your music and navigation apps, voice commands, and hands-free calling, as well as text messaging. And all of that from a 6.4-inch touchscreen display. Built-in Bluetooth allows you to connect your smartphone for music streaming and making hands-free calls while driving. It also features controls for Pandora Internet Radio, so you can skip tracks and give them thumbs up or thumbs down right from the touchscreen. The unit also has dedicated RCA video input for backup camera. This camera will be displayed automatically when the vehicle is put into reverse or manually with the on-screen button, and the customizable parking guidelines help to ensure accuracy on any vehicle. This unit also features a multi-function rotary dial for distraction-free control. This lets you control volume and gives you access to other key features like voice control commands. And this unit lets you retain your factory steering wheel controls with the addition of a universal steering wheel control interface. So if you're looking for a car stereo that produces high-quality sound and adds some amazing features to your car, the Sony XAV-AX100 is perfect for you. To learn more, click the link in the description below, or if you're already on the product page, click Add to Cart and order yours today.
This is my game. I work hard, because there's never enough time. The trick is, you got to find the right moments to make a stand. Okay, I'm on my way. Take control and go to where you want to be, to where you need to be. These moments are everything. This is playtime. Time to discover, to enjoy. These are the things that matter. Give it your all and enjoy the ride. Pioneer, a new start for your car.